Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the bolt closely. Clean it with degreaser and a wire brush so you can see the thread profile. Once done, measure with calipers and identify whether threads are simply flattened, cross-threaded, or partially stripped. Make sure to clamp the bolt in a vise to hold it steady. This prevents further damage when you begin repairing. At this point, assemble a die or thread file sized to the bolt and grab a bit of lubricant to ease metal cutting. Now you restore the thread profile using the correct die or a triangular thread file, matching the original pitch and diameter. Work slowly. Start the die square to the shank, cut one full turn forward, then back off to clear chips, and apply lubricant frequently to reduce friction. Make sure to remove any burrs with a file and test progress by running a nut on. If the nut binds, stop, clean debris, and realign the tool before continuing, so you don't finish by deburring the repaired edges, cleaning all metal shavings, and applying anti-seize or light thread lubricant. Then torque the bolt to specification. If the threads still don't accept a nut or the bolt strips again, replace it or step up to an oversized repair using a drill end tap with a helicoil insert for permanent strength. Finally, test under load slowly and recheck tightness after initial use. If loosening occurs, reassess alignment and consider replacing mating components as they may be damaged too.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.